Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Integrity Sales and Services, where you can find the best bucket trucks in the country right here in Northeast Indiana. Don't worry about your location. We sell the best trucks in the country. We can deliver this truck right to your door, or you can come over, fly in. We'll get you a nice meal, get your paperwork done, get you a temporary plate, and send you on your way to go make money. Now let's tell you about this truck. It's a beautiful GMC. It has a forestry chipper box, Cat 3126 air brakes, and it also has a 6-speed transmission. Now we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate this truck, and we're really excited because we know you're gonna love it.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna operate the boom and show you how that works. Nice, smooth operation. Thank you so much for watching the video. And Jason's gonna walk around the truck and keep showing you around.
Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you can check us out on the web at any time at your convenience. The two numbers, 99trucks.com, or you can call us anytime, day or night. We will answer. If you want to come out, we're gonna have the time. Now we're gonna go ahead. David's trying to run it, but I actually have the selector on dump box. I was taking pictures of the dump box. That is an awesome safety feature. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you go from chip box to chip box to upper controls. Now that is an excellent safety measure. The other controls control your outriggers. You don't have to walk around to the other side to do your outrigger. One lever does one side, one does the other one does your dump box. This switches over for safety reasons so you don't throw your man out of the bucket. Now let's go ahead and show you continuous 360-degree rotation. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an aerial lift to Connecticut. These booms both break over center. As you can see, you can go right to the ground, touch the ground, get out, do your chainsaw, get back in. You don't have to land it up top in the headache rack. I'm gonna walk around. This baby has nice meat on the tires. Check out this meat here, ladies and gentlemen. You have fingernail deep tread, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful truck. Extra heavy duty bumper as well. Look at him continue the 360-degree rotation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this has a super heavy duty bumper. Where do you find a bumper like that? If you need to put a receiver or pintle hook on there, we can do that. We can weld on top or on bottom. We have an in-house manufacturing division. We have it all. We're your one-stop shop. Look down inside, ladies and gentlemen. Big chipper box, nice and solid. Beautiful truck, solid. He's continuing the rotation. He's going around. This truck brakes over center, both booms. Beautiful frame paint. We've taken this truck, we have spared no detail. You deserve the best. When you come to Integrity Sales and Services, you're gonna get a good truck. Look at the beautiful paint glisten in the sun. When you wanna give me a call at 260-238-5000 or on the web, 99trucks.com. Now, David's gonna go ahead and show you the brake over center backwards. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, both booms do break over center. It will break over to the back. Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. You can reach straight out with this boom. You can reach all the way to the ground from the back or the front. Either side, straight out, fully extended. Now, David's gonna make a couple comments about the operation of this boom.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching the video. As you can see, this baby is tight. I broke it over center both ways. You can pop right out of here, take a look, and get your refill your chainsaw, get right back in and ready to go again. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give us a call at 260-238-5000. Love to give you a delivery quote. And if you need any more clips or if you want to see any other features of this truck, I'd love to do it for you. Beautiful truck. It's going to make you money.
This is a Cat 3126, ladies and gentlemen. This truck will make you money. It will pull. We can put any kind of hits you want on that bumper. We can make you money. We're not out here trying to play games. We're gonna make you money. You're gonna buy the truck from us. You're gonna go to work and have the nicest truck in town, ladies and gentlemen. Check us out on the web, 99trucks.com. Or once again, you can call 238-5000. Thank you so much for watching our video. I was in the tree business 22 years, and I want to ask you to please work safely. And remember, have a blessed day. Goodbye.